Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Biology Olympiad Easy Guide. Begin by mapping core subjects and making a realistic weekly plan that balances reading, problem practice, and lab skills. Avoid cramming. Use concept maps and flashcards for active recall and schedule one deep review each week. Prioritize understanding experiments, common techniques, and data interpretation to prepare for both theory and practical rounds. Adopt study methods that maximize retention and readiness. Start with focused 25 to 50-minute sessions using active recall, then take short breaks to refresh your mind. Incorporate spaced repetition for difficult definitions and pathways, and mix problem solving with conceptual review. Regularly simulate timed tests using past Olympiad problems to practice pacing and pressure handling. Debrief each practice test to turn mistakes into clear follow-up tasks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small comfort during long study commutes. It keeps the ride pleasant and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Hands-on skills can make or break your performance in practical rounds. Prioritize learning pipetting, microscopy, titration, and sterile technique with deliberate practice sessions. Practice recording precise observations, analyzing data, and explaining results clearly in writing. Work with peers or mentors to run mock experiments and get constructive feedback on technique and timing. Build a simple lab notebook habit to track protocols, errors, and improvements for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.